Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, what I'm going to do is actually cut a few inches off of these braids because this is going to be my last 2 weeks pretty much leaving these braids in, and I wanted to cut them to make them shorter so it'll be much easier when I'm taking them out. Plus it's a short little style to wear the last 2 weeks that I have this on, kind of a different look. Now guys, what I want you to notice is that at the end of these, I did not do anything to them. They've been braided for quite a while and I did braid them pretty tight so they won't really become unravel. If the ends coming a little bit unravel will bother you, you're going to want to do something at the end of those to keep them tied up so they don't come unravel. But as I told you guys, I am taking this off in about 2 weeks, so it won't really matter to me. And that's it guys, I love this. I think this actually looks pretty cute. I might braid my hair this short next time I do it. So that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already guys, of course subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave all of your comments down below guys, of course, and go over and watch my last video.